Hey guys, today we'll be making a quick and easy and adorable flower girl basket. What you will need, I have an adorable little basket. It's already white, so I don't have to worry about spray painting it or anything, which is awesome. But if you can't find the exact color you need, then you can definitely just get some spray paint from a craft store and go from there. You will also need lace trim, ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first step would be to spray paint your basket if it's a different color. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your lace trim and trim it around the top of your basket. And I like to take it around before gluing it just to kind of see where it's going to stop, because I want to have a stopping point at the back. Once you know where it's going to stop, you can go ahead and take your hot glue gun and glue it in place. Alright, then I'm just going to cut away the excess. You can definitely add another layer and cover the entire basket with the lace trim. I was going back and forth as to whether I wanted to do that or not, but it would definitely be an adorable option. So you would just pretty much repeat the same step except with the bottom layer, and you wouldn't be able to see the basket at all. But I thought it was just a cute little touch to see like the wicker basket underneath. So if you wanted to, you could add in another layer, kind of like that. But ultimately, I decided against it. But that is another option if you choose to do so. If you want it really, really frilly, then hey, go for it. You can even add 3 or 4 layers if you choose to do so until the entire basket is covered. That'd be adorable as well. Whatever you prefer. I'm going to just leave it with 1 layer, and then I'm going to take my ribbon. This is just, I believe, 5/8 inch ribbon, and I'm going to tie it in the regular bow. I have layered the regular satin ribbon with a sheer ribbon just because I thought it would be so cute and precious. You can go, and I wanted everything to be white, but you can go with white and whatever your color scheme is, so you can make it kind of a mixture of both. And again, this is just a regular simple bow that I'm just tying on either side. You can make an intricate bow and hot glue it in place if you choose to do so. That's another option. Whatever you prefer. And again, I'm making everything white, but you can make this basket in your color scheme. So if you want it to be white and another color, you can definitely do so. And I just add in a little hot glue just to make sure it's secured in place and the bows do not come untied. And you are all done. It literally takes just a few minutes and it's so adorable. Go with whatever size or style you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. You can even add in another bow at the top by the handle if you choose to do so. Or you can add in a bow at the front. Or again, you can cover the entire basket with lace. The possibilities are endless.